Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you the setup of Google Search Console and walk you through the entire process. So please watch this video till the end. So I'm in Google and I'm going to write over here Google Search Console and click on this first option for setting up. Now you will see the Start Now button over here, and this page of Google Search Console, search.google.com, will show what the Search Console is and how it benefits your blog post or website. So you can optimize your content with search analytics. You can see which queries or keywords are bringing more users to your website, and you can analyze your site's impressions, clicks and position on Google search. Regarding this one, I've made another video which I've posted some time back. You can watch this video, and I will also put a link of that video in the description. Second thing which you can do is get your content on Google. So you can submit your sitemaps and individual URLs for crawling. You can review your index coverage to make sure that Google has the freshest view of your website. Submitting sitemap is also very important for Google to identify and track your website. I've made another video tutorial on how to submit sitemap. There's no one option or one procedure to do this. You can do it via different ways. The third thing is you can get alerted on the issues affecting your website or your pages or blog posts and fix them. So you will receive email alerts when Google identifies issues on your site, and you can see which URLs are being affected and what these issues are. So if you are a web developer, you would know instantly what the issues are. Or if you are in the marketing team or a non-developer, then you can send those issues to your website developer and they will fix it for you. Right? You can also understand how Google search sees your pages. It has a URL inspection tool which provides detailed crawl, index and serving information about your pages directly from Google Index. So I'm going to go back and then click on Start Now. Make sure that you when you click on Start Now, you will see this page showing up. So you need to make sure that you are logging in from the same Gmail address that you have connected to your Google Analytics account. This is very important, because if you have multiple, for example, Gmail accounts, and then you use the wrong one, then there'll be a case of misidentification. So please make sure that you're using the correct one. So I'm going to go over here and use my correct email address. You have two options over here. You have the domain, which is the URLs across all subdomains and all URLs across HTTPS and HTTP. So this will give you both options, so you don't have to enter separately. But the main thing to notice over here is it requires DNS verification. So DNS verification would mean that you would need, once you submit your URL or domain here, you would need to go back to the place where your domain is hosted and then do some settings which will require DNS verification. This might sound a bit tricky to you, but it's very straightforward. You will have to reach out to your hosting provider, let's say GoDaddy or HostGator or whichever you have, but it might sound a bit tricky for you and you might get overwhelmed by this. So there's another option, URL prefix. Here what you can do is you can enter each HTTPS and HTTP and www and non-www. So for example, I'm going to go to my domain, to my website, and I'm going to copy this default link. I'm coming over here and putting this. So you will see that this is the www doesn't show over here, so it just shows HTTPS. So you will have to enter this domain 4 times. The first time is HTTPS without the www. The second one is HTTP without the www. The third one will be with the www, HTTPS and HTTP, and I'll show you in a minute how you can do that. I'm going to click on continue. So it's checking for verification, and you can see that the ownership is being verified. In case it doesn't get verified, then you need to link your website. You can do several things over here. So for example, I have installed this site kit in the plugin section, and what I've done is I've connected the Search Console over here directly. So once that is done, you can come here and verify the ownership. I'm going to click over here and go to property. So you will see that the Google Search Console opens up, and you can see my website over here. So once I click here, automatically the HTTPS without the www and the with www has been added. So you can add another property over here. So let's say you want to add just the www.digitaldoorway.com and then click on continue. So you'll see you enter full prefix. So you would need to enter the full prefix here. So this is how you will do it. Is this important to do it, and do you have to do it straight away? No, you don't have to do this straight away. You can take your time and explore this tool. Like I said, I've made another video where I have described each of these tabs: the performance tab, the URL inspection, the coverage, the sitemap. The coverage is where the indexing happens. So it says that processing data over here because I've just verified this one. It will take some time. You can also inspect over here whichever page you want. You can check the performance. Again, it is processing the data, so it will take a while. So this is it about how you can set up your Google Search Console. It's a very straightforward process. If you have any questions, please do write to me in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye.